Okay. Hi guys! For today's vlog, we're gonna meet the MP or a Member of Parliament here in St. Albert.
Michael Cooper.
Yeah,
So Michael Cooper and the Secretary of Wing always help us when we have some challenges with immigration, like the time frame, and Winnie is always like helpful. So every time they have an event, we always support them, and they always support us as well. Michael Cooper has been a Member of Parliament for 9 or 11 years. He's doing good in the Parliament, and we're proud to be here.
So, yan sa aking partner si Ma'am Stella. Yan. Ganyan siya. Yung kanilang parang kumbaga munisipyo nila. Yan. So yan guys, ganito yung kanilang parang headquarters or munisipyo ng ng St. Albert. So upon entry, ganito po yung mga yan, so meron pa start na yung program yung Christmas party nila. Ayan si MP Michael Cooper.
Thank you very much and good evening every season. I'm just going to make some brief remarks, provide a bit of an update on what has been happening in Ottawa and I understand, I haven't seen him, but Brian Holden, Mayor of Monaco, is here. Way down in the border. And I see Angie Hampshire, Chair of the St. Albert District Chamber of Commerce. And if I missed anyone, we addressed those bills, but if you want me to elaborate on any of those bills, I'd be happy to do so. The biggest item that we've been dealing with is the budget and the generational shift. And I gotta say, looking at the budget, it's back. The projection over the next 5 years is $322 billion of Reading. There are no fiscal anchors. Justin Trudeau's government had a fiscal anchor of 1% of GDP in terms of the deficit. The deficit this year is 2% of GDP. To put it in fuel on the inflationary fire that we saw 2 years ago when inflation reached a 40-year high as a result, in part of all of this spending.
So yun guys, dito tatapusin na namin yung video dahil naglalas yung aking partner dahil meron siyang aside sa immigration, meron din siyang pizzeria business. So kailangan namin magpaalam guys, and naman po guys, magpapaalam na po kami. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you, bye! So yun guys, dito nagmadali na rin kami umalis dahil nga yung aking partner ay kailangan niya nang umalis dahil sa kanyang other side of business. So ayun, minute lang namin yung si MP dito, si Michael Cooper. Ayan, so balik na tayo sa guys, dito pala sa place na pinaganuhan ni Michael Cooper yung sa Christmas party nila. Merong magandang pasyalan din pala, puros mga pailaw. Ayan guys, oh. So yun guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo saglit. So yun guys, napakaganda. Ayan, Christmas na dito sa Canada. So ayan guys, ayan, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Dito ko lang kayo din siya. Ang ganda. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kasi nga first time kong nagpunta dito. Ito pala kaganda dito sa place na to. Ayan, dito po yan sa may St. Thomas Street. Diba ang ganda? Ayan, balik na tayo sa sakyan.